Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from Pectus.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of, if not the best, back exercise you guys can do for pectus, for your posture. I always talk about developing your back. We don't want to just be training chest and ending up all rounded over. I've been making a lot of chest training videos because obviously that's a super important part, but I feel like I haven't been making too many videos on great back exercises, so I really wanted to provide you with one to implement into your program because I don't want you all to just be doing all these exercises in my recent videos and neglecting your back, because that's only going to make things worse. Train your chest. You want to develop your chest, but you have to train your back as well. So this exercise is going to be great. It's also going to hit your core because you have to stabilize yourself because it's unilateral. And so I'll show you it. It's the one arm bent over dumbbell row. Definitely probably the most common row variation I've ever done. So you just have one knee on the bench, one hand on the bench, one foot down on the ground, and you pick up a dumbbell, keeping parallel, and then you just arm straight, roll it up to your body and back down. Just like this. Really trying to have an intention, a squeeze, then stretch out the back muscle, feel your lats stretch before you engage them and hold the weight up. And what you don't want to do is rotate like this as you roll it, because then what's actually working to stabilize your body and keep it square over the ground is your core and your obliques. So by keeping them switched on and engaged, not only are we working your back, but we're also working your core at the same time. So it's an awesome movement. It's a unilateral movement as well, which I love because it works the core normally to stabilize, but also then we're isolating one side at a time. Most of us have imbalances, so it's good for that too. So yeah, that's the one arm dumbbell row, guys. Start implementing it into the program. Train with intention, train with purpose. Try and take that movement to failure. It is one that you can do pretty safely and take to failure. So if you're more advanced, I'd definitely be at least training right near that range. So a lot of people aren't training as close to failure as they should be. And normally when I program this for my clients, it's somewhere in the 6 to 12 rep range each side, and normally 3 to 4 sets depending on where my client's at. So that's the dumbbell row, one arm dumbbell row. And on that note, if you are interested in coaching, so you have the full program, not just some exercises from YouTube, you know what you're going to do and you know what's going to fit you, because we are at different points. So you want to make sure the program fits you, where you're at, your lifestyle circumstances, your experience, your body. Then reach out. I've got a few coaching spots available. So links in the description, fixpectus.com. Go to my site, apply for coaching, book a strategy call with me. We'll then meet each other and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. And guys, last thing, if you have any video suggestions or things you want me to talk about, comment them below. Okay, I'd love some video ideas, and yeah, so that'd be great. So make sure to comment them. Thanks guys, bye.